In this book, Il Contesto by Leonardo Sciascia, there is an interesting dialogue between the main character and the judge. The judge, a magistrate of the Italian Court of Cassation, theorizes the conceptual impossibility of judicial mistakes. Once a decision in court has been reached, and once it has become final, that decision is by definition legally true, or so he argues. The conception of legal truth expressed by Sciascia's judge somewhat mirrors the one historically advocated by authors like Hans Kelsen in the legal philosophical debate about the role of truth in judicial proceedings. This debate continues to exist today, and however, it has been relatively unaffected by the recent developments in analytic philosophy about theories of truth.
Evidence scholars, following the work of authors such as Michele Taruffo, usually assume a correspondence theory of truth without adequately considering other theories that nowadays are equally important in philosophical debate, theories such as deflationism or alectic pluralism. I, Elena Marchese and Michele Bertone are organizing a workshop on this very topic for the Girona Evidence Week. The title of the workshop is Correspondence and Beyond. We will bring together procedural law scholars, philosophers, and legal theorists to discuss this important topic. So you are all invited and see you there.